The Jaybird Run XT versus Apple AirPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, I will be comparing the Jaybird Run XTs and the Apple AirPods. I will go over some features and provide my final thoughts on them. I've done a complete review of both of the earbuds in my previous videos, and you can find the links in the description below and at the end of the video. You will also find the product links in the description. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. On the left, we have the Run XTs, and on the right, we have the AirPods. The XTs come in two colors, Black Flash and Storm Gray. This is the Storm Gray. And just to highlight some specs, the Run XTs has 4 hours of listening time, and you get an additional 8 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 4.1, it has button controls and an app, micro USB charging for the case, and it's IPX7 sweat and waterproof. It can be submerged up to 1 meter. The AirPods have 5 hours of listening time, more than 24 hours with the case, Bluetooth 4.2, double tap access controls. The charging case uses a lightning adapter, and it's not sweat-proof or waterproof. The Run XT case is a small, compact size, and it's plastic all around. On the top, you have the Jaybird branding. The front has a button to open the lid and the LED charge status lights. The back has a micro USB port for charging. Opening the case, you can see the earbuds. Each side has the left and right indicator. It is not held in by magnets. It just sits into place. The Apple AirPods case is a slim design and has a glossy finish all around. On the back you have the pairing button, and on the bottom is the lightning port for charging. The newer AirPod version has the LED on the front as opposed to inside the case. It also offers wireless charging, which is compatible with the original versions. The earbuds are held into place by magnets. And here is a side-by-side comparison between the two cases. The Run XT earbuds are also small in size and made of plastic all around. Each earbud has the following: ear fins, ear tips, LED status, and the button. The ear fins provide added support, and it's easy to install. You get a variety of sizes for the fins and ear tips. The AirPods have a light and slim design. Each of the AirPods have the following: microphones, battery, antenna, dual optical sensors, and dual accelerometers on each of the earbuds. And here is a side-by-side comparison between the two. And now for some case measurements. The Run XT case is 3 inches by 1.6 by 1.5 inches. The Apple AirPod case is 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 of an inch. The Run XT case weighs in at 55 grams, and the AirPod case weighs in at 39 grams. The XT earbuds come in at about 15 grams, and the AirPods come in at about 8 grams. So my final thoughts on the earbuds. Everyone has different preferences when it comes to sound signatures, so this can be subjective. For comfort, I give this to Apple. It was just comfortable for me and it didn't put any pressure in my ear canals. As opposed to the Run XTs, it does push into your ear canals, and after long periods of time, it can become uncomfortable. Also, using the button controls, it has the tendency to push it in further. Build and quality, I will say both are built well. They feel solid and the charging cases seem durable. The ear fins on the Run XTs provide good support and it prevents them from falling out. And for sound, this will have to go to the Run XTs. The lows were very good. You get nice, deep, clean bass. Mids and highs were very clear. Vocals were even and it didn't sound washed out. The app is definitely a plus, with the available sound presets and customizable setting. It will really enhance the overall listening experience. The AirPods sounded good too, but more of a balanced sound across the board. It lacked the lows that the Run XTs produced, but it had very clear, crisp mids and highs. You don't get the flexibility of the EQ settings that the XT had. Overall, both of these are good. The Run XTs are really geared towards the active lifestyles, and it has the IPX7 rating to protect you from the elements. I see the AirPods good for everyday casual use. It doesn't have the sweat and water resistance, and it can fall out of your ears if you are really active with them. I think it will just be a matter of time until Apple adds the features that will be geared towards the active lifestyles. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.